Hey everybody, it's Vanderschot here from Realty Group, and I know what you're thinking. This kid's in my ads and on my feeds again? Damn right, because I've got a beautiful opportunity for you here at 532 2nd Avenue East, right here in the heart of Owen Sound. Come check it out. Congratulations, you made it to the end of the ad, and let me tell you, I am extremely proud of you. But if you want me to stop showcasing this incredible spot, you're gonna have to come out here and buy it. So feel free, give me a call at the number it's about to pop up.